Welcome you all and hello guys, I welcome you all and today we are here again and I'm your host. My name is Pratik and today I want to share with you basically today we are going to talk about India's economy. We'll cover all the aspects and you'll get a knowledge about economy of our country, India's economy. Oh, please listen it carefully guys and improve your listening skills, and I hope you are doing well towards your English language so far, and keep practicing on a steadily basis your language, and that's the only thing you can do. Be disciplined about your dream and goals. So without any further delay, let's dive into this topic, which is India's economy. India's economy is a dynamic and complex landscape characterized by rapid growth and significant challenges and immense potential. Over the past few decades, India has transitioned from an agrarian based economy to one with a strong emphasis on services and technology. This shift has propelled India into become one of the world's fastest growing major economies. Key strength of India's economy include its large and youthful population, which provides a substantial labor force and consumer market. Additionally, the country's IT and service sector have become global leaders, attracting significant foreign investment and driving economic growth. However, India faces several challenges. Infrastructure development hasn't kept pace with economic growth, leading to bottlenecks in transportation, energy, and urban development. Furthermore, there is a need for more inclusive growth as inequality and rural poverty remain significant issues. Agriculture sector, which still employs a large portion of the population, struggles with inefficiencies and vulnerabilities to climate change. Initiatives like Make in India, Digital India, and various economic reforms aim to address these issues, fostering a more business friendly environment and boosting manufacturing and digitaling infrastructure. India's economy has remarkable potential. Realizing this potential requires addressing structural challenges, ensuring sustainable and inclusive growth, and continuing to innovate and adapt in a rapidly changing global economy landscape. Economy is at a pivotal point, showcasing impressive growth and challenges. Over the past few decades, it has transcended from being largely agrarian to a service and technology driven economy, becoming one of the fastest growing major economies globally. Key strengths include a large and youthful population, a booming IT and services sector, and a vibrant entrepreneurial spirit. However, challenges such as underdeveloped infrastructure, income inequality, rural poverty, and a struggling agriculture sector persist. Make in India, Digital India, and Atmanirbhar Bharat aim to address these issues by promoting manufacturing, enhancing digital infrastructure, and fostering self reliance. While these programs have made some progress, there is a need for accelerated reforms and investment, especially in infrastructure and inclusive growth. India's future economic prospects are promising, contingent on effectively tackling structural challenges and leveraging its demographic dividend. Sustainable growth will require continuous reforms, robust investment in infrastructure, and policies that ensure equitable development. As complexities, it stands poised to expand its role in the global economy, potentially attracting more foreign investments and diversifying global supply chains and this economy going day by day because India's people are working really hard and they play a vital role to grow their Indian economy. Juncture characterized by a mix of impressive growth, substantial potential, and persistent challenges. Over the past few decades, India has undergone a significant transformation, shifting from a primarily agrarian economy to one that is increased by services and technology. This evolution has positioned India as one of the fastest growing major economies globally, frequently outpacing other large economies in terms of GDP growth. A key strength of India's economy is its large and youthful population with a median age of around 28 years. India possesses a substantial labor force that hold the potential to drive economic growth for many years. This demographic advantage, often referred to as a demographic dividend, could be a significant asset if harnessed effectively through job creation and skill development. So, guys, today I hope you guys enjoyed that topic economy because it's a very knowledgeable topic. You should have a knowledge about our India's economy. So that's why I chose that topic. So I thought that we should talk about on the economy so that you can hone your knowledge, you can spruce up your knowledge, you can take a step ahead to gain a knowledge. So I hope you guys are enjoyed that topic and I hope and keep practicing your language every single day cause be disciplined about it and I'll meet you too in a next episode. Guys, keep practicing your language. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please share so that they can hone their skills as well. Thank you so much, guys.